Welcome. In this episode, we are going to take a look at the transformation of our backyard. So, back in 2023, we have a tornado that came through in our area and it took down one of our largest tree in the backyard. As a result, we decided to go ahead and take down two of the smaller tree in the center of our backyard as well. So we have a total of three trees taken down in the backyard. Once the tree has been taken down, we have more spaces open up in the backyard. As a result, we also have more sunlight, and we decided to go ahead and add in an additional garden to the left of the existing garden. Nhớ rằng xong nó của yo pi đùa ít cho tế chia nhau được của cá chi tàu chỉ đồ của đại miêu tế và của dân ít chữ và tàu lò lia xa gì xong nó lỡ vậy xong nó của chỉ cho chi thế của cho rau thế tàu thế đi tên đời xứ. Then to the right, we decided to go ahead and plant some shrubs. We hope that over time the shrubs will be tall enough to give us a little bit of a privacy from our neighbor. So what you're looking at here is our new addition to the existing garden. It's now May 9th, and I believe that these are my pumpkins. And right behind the pumpkin is either my cucumber, or if not cucumber, then the very back there is the pumpkin and the beans, long beans on the left. And these are my greens. The very front is the eggplant, and then to the right of that is the bell pepper. Here's an up close of the hydrangea, the vanilla hydrangea, and they should grow to be about 5 to 6 feet tall and about 3 to 4 feet wide. So hopefully in a matter of 3 to 4 years that they will fill up the spaces in between. So as you can see, I'm trying to get some privacy from the neighbor next door. Here's the flower beds and closer to the house. And so I wasn't sure how to space or place these new shrubs and flower plants that I received. So this is kind of me positioning where I think they are going to be planted. And the two in the back are the fuchsia crepe myrtle. The flower plants on the left hand side is the endless summer hydrangea broomstruck. So this is what it looks like at the moment. Here's a close-up of the flower garden closer to their house. And there's the hydrangea in the back. And here's a close-up of everything that I have put into the garden closest to the house. Shona ko cho ít cho ba li nó thia nhớ rồi dễ từ cá chi tàu chị nhớ để mình chỉ từ cho ba nó chị cho ít trong tông và nữ và bí tơ ba li thầu lúc xa li nó mù chị bé mà li sĩ chỗ sĩ sai mù xe nữa ha và tơ ba tơ trong li cha Persian shield. And on this one, I'm not really sure what this one's called. I think we may have tossed out the label. But I thought it was very interesting how it's just sent in these little shoots. Don't mind my finger. This is my new crepe myrtle. I just picked up 2 this season. So hopefully it'll come out light pink. I believe that my neighbor used to have one. This is a daylily that I transplanted from the front. And it looks like it's been here forever, doesn't it? I just love the foliage, and the lily is actually in the shade of yellow. These are my hostas that I transplanted from the front yard also and planted here. I think that it will just add a very nice contrast and foliage to this crepe myrtle. Yeah, I'm gonna need to trim some of those shoots down the bottom. So I had this for, I want to say, close to 20 years. And for some reason, it's been a slow growing for me. Initially, it was planted in the front yard, and then it got a little bit too tall. So my husband decided to transplant it here in the backyard. And when he did, there was actually 2. One of them died. And so what's left is this. I'm hoping that over time, the 2 new crepe myrtle in the back there will grow tall enough to provide additional privacy between our neighbor and us as we hold function in our deck in the backyard. All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this episode. If so, then I would appreciate a like and a comment. Thank you all for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.